Welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie and I'm so glad you're here. Do you ever get a craving for something and until you make it, you can't get it out of your head? That happens to me all the time, and today it was lemons. So I thought about making a lemon pie, but had a really hard time finding raw cashews at the grocery store. So it came down to lemon shortbread cookies. Gluten-free, of course, and vegan, and I've got them in the oven right now, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you guys. So here we go.
I like to give my lemons a little massage to get the juice out easier. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of juice, which is equal to about 2 lemons. Oh my gosh, I actually forgot the almond flour and he went and got some for me. I've had this culinary lavender for a while, so I figured adding it to lemon cookies was a perfect opportunity to use it. I only added it to the first 4, just in case.